In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect WooCommerce to Zapier. This integration can help streamline various online business processes by automating tasks between WooCommerce and other apps you might be using. Let's get started with the process. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zapier homepage. Once you're there, take a look at the left side of the screen. You'll notice an option for app connections. Click on this to start configuring new connections with your apps. Now that you've opened the connections, the next step is to locate the app option. This will usually be apparent once you've clicked into the connections menu. Clicking on the app will allow you to choose which app you want to connect to Zapier. With that done, it's time to add a new connection. Direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You should see an option that says Add Connection. Hit that button. This is where the magic begins, and you'll start making WooCommerce and Zapier work together seamlessly. Next up, it's time to identify the app you want to connect, which in this case is WooCommerce. In the search bar provided, type in WooCommerce, and give it a moment to search through the available apps. Once WooCommerce appears, click on it to proceed with the connection. We're almost there. After selecting WooCommerce, you'll see another Add Connection button. Click on it again to initiate the setup. Now comes the final step, and it's crucial. Follow the on-screen prompts. These prompts will guide you through the specific process of linking your WooCommerce account to your Zapier profile. During this stage, you may be asked to log into your WooCommerce account or to provide certain authentication credentials. Make sure you have them handy before starting. This may involve granting permissions that allow Zapier to access data from your WooCommerce so it can automate tasks effectively. Little tips and pieces of advice. As you go through these steps, be sure to keep an eye on any pop-up notifications or alerts that may arise, as they could require additional actions from you. Also, double-check any permissions you're granting to ensure they align with your security preferences. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully connected your WooCommerce with Zapier, opening up a world of possibilities for automating your online store and improving your workflow efficiency. Whether you're automating order processing, customer management, or inventory tracking, this connection is sure to save you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tech tutorials.